Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to check daily limit on your Chase app, okay? And it's very easy. So once you actually sign in to your business account, what you do is you go ahead and choose the profile icon in the top right corner. And then you go ahead and choose profile and settings. And under payment preferences, guys, you want to go ahead and choose manage transaction limits. Now here you're able to see your daily limit. You can check that on your Chase app. We can also do, guys, if you want, you can go ahead and either increase or even decrease that limit for the desired service. And then you can go ahead and click on submit to edit it like that from the app, okay? And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you in the next one.